Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the coil packs as well as the spark plug locations on a 2019 Kia Cerato. So first thing we're going to do is obviously open up the bonnet. To do that we're going to come over the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle, pull this lever just down there and you'll hear the bonnet start to pop up. Just come back round to the front of the vehicle, just above the Kia badge. There is a lever, push that to the left, and then we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once your bonnet's safe and secure, just have a look under the engine. Now all of this is going to be done under this black cover here. So just to take that off, there's a popper on each corner. So we're just going to go ahead and pull them off like so, and then take the cover plate and just put it over here. Now that actually exposes your 4 coil packs. Just along like that, and you can actually see the 10mm bolt that goes with them. So for this video I'm just going to show you how to remove one, because it is the same repeated. I'm just going to use something to pop up that grey clip, and when that's up then you'll hear it click, and then you can use that as like a lever to actually undo the electrical connection like so. Now the next thing we're going to do is just take this 10mm bolt all the way out. So it shouldn't be too tight. Just set that aside. Now your coil pack is ready to come out. Nice and gently, just lift it straight up and out. And then that is our coil pack. So let's have a look. It says it's a YURA product, You're a product, and it's for Kias and Hyundais. And the product number there is 27300. -2E000. And I'm just going to go ahead and also show you where the spark plug is. It's just down that hole there. I don't have a spark plug tool on me at the moment, but it's relatively easy to get those out. Just lefty loosey righty tighty, and then go ahead and get your new coil pack, and we're going to slide that straight back down, making sure it seats fully on the spark plug. Line up the hole, get your 10mm bolt from earlier. I like to do mine up just by hand first. Then get your 10mm spanner. No need to do it up too tight. Then we're going to go ahead and put our electrical connection back on, and then making sure that grey clip goes forward. We then of course need to get our black cover plate and just line that up. Easier to line that up with the oil filler. And then once you think that's lined up, you just push that down and it will lock in. And there you go. That's how easy it is to remove and replace the coil packs and the spark plug locations on a 2019 Kia Cerato. If you found this video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.